Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how many fishes and insects you can fit in the biggest tanks. So the large tank and the large vivarium. They do cost wishing stars, so I'm just gonna show you how much they fit. So for the vivarium, it fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Um, it's only 6 lots. It's not a lot, honestly. So you can only fit 6 insects in, and this is the large vivarium, mind you. And then for the aquarium, you can only fit, I know it looks like there's only two here, but I just designed it like this. But anyways, you can fit also, okay, you can fit a little bit more than six. It's just plus one. So 7 in the large tank and 6 in the large vivarium. If you would like to purchase the vivarium, go to Naniwa. If you would like to purchase the large fish tank, you are able to purchase it from Vanya. You can only get one of each color, so the black large vivarium and the white large vivarium, as well as the black large tank and the white large tank too. And you cannot have more than one of each, which is sad. I hope they fix that. I don't know. I really want more than one of the black ones because it fits my house a little bit better. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!